I lost a lot of stuff. I lost a lot of friends. I lost a lot of strength. I lost a lot of courage. I lost a lot of time. I lost a lot of money. But I kept down on my knees. I was still believing. Broke, I was believing. Lonely, I was believing. Betrayed, I was. Touch 3 people and tell them, keep the faith, keep the faith. If you lose the job, keep the faith. If you lose the spouse, keep the faith. If you bury your child, keep the faith. If you have to downsize, keep the faith. If you have to move in with your mama, keep the faith. If you're at your wit's end, keep the faith. If you have to catch the bus, keep the faith. If you have to thumb, keep the faith. If you get sick, keep the faith. If you lose your kidneys, keep the faith. If you got heart trouble, keep the faith. You might not get a new heart, but you got to keep your faith. And he says, the old man says to the young man, I finished my course. I am concerned because we are living in a world that has become comfortable with going to school and getting an incomplete. The danger of living a life of incompletes. 3 or 4 sets of families, 3 or 4 sets of kids. Nobody can count on you to stay. Forget winning. Forget winning. To stay. You don't have to be a superhero. Nobody can count on you to stay. To stick it out. To endure. Nobody can count on you past happy. They used to come in my office and say, I'm leaving him because he's beating me. I'm leaving him because he abused my children. I'm leaving him because he's homicidal. Now they come in my office, they say, I'm leaving because I'm not happy. You're not happy? Who told you you was gonna be happy? What does that have to do with anything? Who do you know in your life that is happy all the time? You quit because you weren't happy? To the person who keeps quitting, you have to live with that infection that you carry, that propensity to never finish. Paul says, I finished my course. I didn't finish yours. I didn't finish yours. I didn't finish yours. I didn't finish yours. I'm not into your business. I'm not trying to get in your business. People who are trying to finish their course are not nosy. Because they are so focused trying to finish what they started. I don't have time to worry about what's going on in your house. I'm so busy trying to manage what's going on in. It's all I can do to finish my course. Somebody in this room, you've quit so many things that you've lost respect for yourself. Somebody say, give me the grace to endure. Don't misunderstand it. You can't be no whip now. The Apostle Paul got into trouble. Lord, remove this thorn from my flesh. He had to pray. He had to go through some tough time. He said, I got so depressed. I got so discouraged. I wanted to die. I prayed after seeing people get healed and delivered. I've raised people from the dead and couldn't get the thorn out of my own flesh. The contradictions of being powerful outwardly and conflicted inwardly is enough to make you quit. And still, he finished the course with a God who said no to his own prayer. Oh, y'all don't want to talk to me. What do you do when you're better on the outside than than you are on the inside. I can get rid of your thorn, but I gotta bear. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm gonna get my own CD. I'm gonna get this. Isn't it amazing how good you can be at fixing other people's lives? You know exactly what they ought to do. Even Jesus struggled with finishing. He goes to the Garden of Gethsemane and says, oh no, Daddy, this is tougher than I thought. He labored in prayer till sweat like blood like sweat poured through his skin, saying, can I get out of this? Can I get out of this? Can I get on a horse and ride away? Can I take a camel and ride away from a cross? Jesus says, Daddy, can I quit? I've never seen the prodigal house so quiet. 3 times he prayed, help me to finish. Is there a way that I can get out of being me? Is there anybody in here who has ever prayed, Lord, is there a way? I can get out of being me. Being me is not going so good. Being me is not what it's cracked up to be. Daddy, can I quit? And finally he says, not my will. That's where it is. That's the whole thing.